My name is Philip, and I'm going to run you through the setup of Windows 7 in VMware Workstation. This is 8.0, but there is one more update after this, 8.1. So, first of all, we'll go to create a new virtual machine under File, and go to Typical, or if you have settings that you want there. Certain settings, then go to custom. Use typical. I usually click I will install the operating system later, and since we're working with Windows 7, Microsoft Windows up here and Windows 7 down here. Windows 7 is the name. This is where the edit location is in my documents. And disk capacity, it says maximum disk, or well, it says recommended 60 gigabytes, and if it can run off that, that's fine with me. I'll leave that. Alright, looks everything is together here. Next, we're going to point the VMware workstation to the ISO, and I'm going to browse for it, and I saved it under a file on my desktop. You can save it anywhere as long as you remember where it is. And in here, Windows 7, and here's the ISO. Alright, and now we just want to OK, and everything looks good. We're going to push play. Now, I'm just going to make this full screen, get the full viewing experience. Windows is loading files. Now, Windows 7 is probably the most typical of installs for Windows, and probably the easiest, as it is one of the most popular, or as computers gained popularity, it got easier and easier. Didn't expect people to know much about them, and that gives people like me a job. So, it usually takes a little while to load the install files. I will be pausing intermittently so you don't have to watch it load, as you can do that on your own computer if you wanted to. Alright, here we are at the next screen. This is your basic Windows 7 background. Alright, and the language, depending on where you're from, is English for me. Time and currency, English, and keyboard input is US. I don't think, okay, so they have different ones here, but whereas with other operating systems you'd have to install those separately and have a different keyboard and everything. So I have all that. Next, and so since we would be booting from a CD to install this, you could use that CD to repair your computer or to upgrade. So yeah, this would be an upgrade. If you wanted to go over the things you needed to know before installing, they're here, like the licensing information and a lot of stuff that probably don't want to go through now. So that was the basic setting it up on VMware. I'll make another video and we'll be installing it.